Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Danish from Faculty of Civil Engineering, UiTM Penang. For my innovation idea, I will present about a preliminary study and innovative approach to slope failure in Malaysia. First of all, I would like to explain briefly about my research. I study about landslide. My research is focused on the condition of soil that causes its strength to reduce, which ultimately leads to landslide. Soil study is very crucial nowadays, as landslide keep on occurring, especially during rainy days. So, we need to look at the soil fundamentals to tackle this problem. So, why is this important? First, landslide not only happen in Malaysia, but as you can see from the example here, landslide is a global phenomenon. Second, I believe the group involved with soil investigation already done their tests and calculations. Yet, it has been 60 years since landslide first reported in Malaysia, and until now it still keep on happening. So this is where I come in. The aim of my research is to evaluate the soil of a previous landslide location. I collect soil samples from a site located at Kampung Raja, Cameron Islands, and these samples I brought to Geotech Lab in UiTM Penang to conduct moisture analysis. From the test I conducted, I obtained the average moisture content of 27.6%. I later compared the result with an existing model for the same type of soil. To simply explain about the SWCC graph here, soil strength increases as water content increases, until it reaches its maximum strength of residual suction at 100 kilopascal and a moisture content of 24.2%. Adding more water at this point will cause soil to lose its strength. Since the average moisture content I obtained is higher than the maximum water content, the soil where I took samples from actually holds risk for another landslide. This is where my innovation steps in. I call it INSAN, short for Innovative Soil Analyzer. Now, I'll be talking about its need, approach, benefit, and competition, the NABC. In any landslide cases, if no lives are harmed or no property are damaged, the reconstruction would cost millions of ringgit. That is why with this research, I intend to use the innovative approach on soil investigation to perform slope stability analysis in the form of consultancy. This could later be developed into a software for slope analysis. With this, more accurate result can be obtained. The time of landslide can be predicted, and in case of any necessary actions can be taken before landslide happen. For now, the major hindrance to this is the conventional practice where most people are using. Although my research is still in its early stage, I found the innovation in this research has commercialization potential. So, I have prepared a business model canvas where this BMC is about INSAN, a geotechnical consultant firm specializes in slope stability. We start looking at the INSAN customer segments. INSAN put target on local authorities first, as they play the important role in an area. INSAN also pursues landowners and developers who are planning to build properties on slope. or those having properties near a slope. And as a geotech consulting firm, Insan works with the construction and infrastructure industry, providing consultation services to other firms and contractors. Insan offers a unique value to its clients by providing highest accuracy and reliable data for slope stability as the variable of infiltration and soaking effect is integrated into the soil analysis. In addition, Insan aims to develop a real-time continuous monitoring and notification system through the use of mobile app which differentiates Insan from other competitors. As a relatively young consulting firm, despite having a website, Insan relies heavily on words-to-mouth referrals between its clients. And when they are not interacting face-to-face, they are often on phone calls and virtual meetings to discuss potential business needs with clients. This is both a benefit and a challenge. Its work must be highly exceptional for clients to highly recommend Insan to other companies or even just to continue choose Insan for future projects. Insan will also attend a number of industry-specific conferences which helps to promote its brand to other corporates who have a representative in attendance. Through these channels, Insan hunt for potential investors. We aim to grow into a global level, and through the software application integrated system, we can provide recommendations on any future precautions need to be taken at site. We'll take a look at how Insan will bring in revenue. Intuitively, its primary source of revenue is from the clients, who pays Insan in return for the slope stability analysis. With the development of the mobile app, Insan can also bring in revenue through a yearly subscription, as this will provide clients the real-time continuous monitoring and notification system. Take a look at the key resources. We see, logically, consultants are vital in Insan's success. This is obviously the case with every engineering services firm, where engineers are hired as consultants to serve its clients. Insan also possesses and relies on its database and intellectual property. One of the examples is its patent on an innovative way of slope stability analysis. Another example is its user platform. Insan is planning on developing a software application which integrates the database and analysis as a monitoring and notification system. Insan's primary activity is to provide consultation on the slope stability by assigning geotech consultants to work for the clients in various projects. Insan also developed a platform of a website and database and integrate data analysis into software application. Our key partners include the investors, Ministry of Work, where we are targeting to have collaboration and land survey and land development companies such as JKR, CIDB, Petronas, Felda, and Felcra. Insan also partner up with the Ministry of Education so that the new method of analyzing slope stability can be implemented into geotechnical courses in higher level education. Lastly, we look at the cost structure of, this innovation. Its primary costs include the R&D, rent, maintenance, salaries, together with benefits paid to its employee. Insan also incurs costs when consultants must travel, not only to meet clients, but also to collect soil samples to be tested. Since I just started my postgraduate studies and this research on last October, there wasn't much innovation competition I took part in, but I managed to get gold medal for GV site on last December. So that is all from me. I would like to thank my supervisor and those who helped me throughout my research journey. Thank you for listening, and if there's any questions or recommendations that you would like to address, email me at the following email. Once again, thank you, stay safe, and have a great day.